washer and dryer. This is Samsung. This is shaky while you're washing a load. This is what you do. You come back here. If it's shaking bad and you're just installing it, this, you see those ones over there, that one and that one. You got to remove it. It comes with a little ratchet, whatever, or you can use a crescent wrench. And it comes with these little clips. There's in there. Okay. That. Make sure you take those out. Okay. Remember this hole is in here. Take it out. This is what's shaking. These are the brackets for shipping when they're shipping them. This is if you're installing it, you're already installing it. Sometimes you forget about these. I did. If you're like me, you don't read instructions. You take these out, put these clips in, put them in. All right, let me get these other ones out.
I don't make me close.
Okay. There it is. There it goes.